Hello everybody, I'm Jimmy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you or teaching you about index numbers. Now before I begin, I'd like to ask you, if any of you have enjoyed my videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, let's begin. So index numbers are a B or a slash and A grade, right? Now you see this table here? Well, it shows average weekly earnings of employees in a factory, right? So as we can see here, we have the year 2010 to 2013. We have the earnings. Now, I should mention that this is to pound, okay? My pounds look like a 2. See? They look like 2s, and I thought it would be confusing if I, yeah, you get the idea. Anyway, so here is £220. And here we have the index, right? Now, 2010 is known as the base year because it's the first year that we have on this table, or as mentioned. Now, the base year is always known as 100. Now, we need to find out what the index is going to be for 2011, 2012, and 2013. That's how it'll come up in tests. There's also ones where they'll swap this round, so we'll have the index numbers, and we'll have to work out the earnings. That's why this is only number 1. The video, because my next video is going to be index numbers, but we have to work out the earnings. Okay, so anyway, let's work it out. Now, the first thing that we do here, we get the earnings. So in 2010 we know that the earnings was £220, and in 2011 we know the earnings are £231. So what we're doing is we are doing 231 over 220 times 100. Now, yes, we are going to need a calculator for this, so hang on a minute. So 231 divided by 220.
It's 1.05.
1.05, okay. And then we do 1.05 times 100, which is 105, right?
It's 105.
See? Right, so we have 105. That means that the index is 105. Now, what this tells us is it's gone up by 5%, right? Now, this is where it will also change. In the next video, then the base year becomes this. But for now, pretend I haven't told you that. And we're going to work. This is just basic index numbers. This is the B to the slash A grade. Right? Mainly just the B for now, right? So we've got that, and we've got this. We can just get rid of that now. And we can get rid of that. We don't need that either. There we go. So now what we're going to do, we have 242, so we're going to put that down. Now, we have to keep referring back to the base year, right? I know some of you would be thinking that we have to use this, or the earnings for the next one, but no, for this, we stick to the base year. We always stick to the base year, right? So 242 over 220 times 100, obviously, right? So hang on a minute. So yeah, 242 divided by 220,
1.1.
which is 1.1. 1.1 times 100 is 110. Right? So then, this goes down as 110. Last one, right? This is the last one. Now notice that the earnings are lower this time. So we can have a number less than 100 for the index. So, yeah, I'll just get rid of this. Use my dressing gown. So we're going to be doing 209 over 220 times 100. Right? 209 divided by 220.
That would be 0.95.
0.95. Right. So then 0.95 times 100 is just 95. Now what that tells us, comparing it to the base year, is that it's gone down 5% since the base year, right? So that's how we work out the index numbers. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Also, if any of you want to have a collaboration, just feel free to ask. 90% of the time, I'll probably say yeah. I mean, in all fairness, I haven't had people ask me yet, but there we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good day.